Let's meet a bird with a flair for fashion, shall we? Sporting long, slender legs, a hawk-like body, and an elaborate headdress. Meet the secretary bird, a living reminder of our feathered dinosaur friends. Now, you're probably wondering about the name. Legend has it, it's from the 19th century French secrétaire, due to its quill-like crest feathers akin to secretaries carrying quills behind their ears. With a strut that could rival any runway model and a hunting style that's nothing short of a martial arts movie, the secretary bird sure knows how to make a statement.